So even before you close your eyes for this first meditation on presence, let yourself look around the room, wherever you are. You can see the other human beings with all their different forms and shapes and colors. You can see the space of the room you're in, the light coming in or the lights that are on, the colors, the windows, what's outside, if you can see that. You're just opening your senses to this environment. Here we are. Meditation isn't taking you away from this, but it's allowing you to establish a presence just here. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to close gently, bringing your attention back to your seated self. Relax more fully. Again, take 2 long breaths. And now as you begin, let your eyes and face be soft. Maybe loosen the jaw. If you like, you can roll your head in a little bit of a circle to let your neck release and find a simple upright. Let your shoulders relax and your arms and hands rest easily. And feel the weight of your body on the earth. You'll feel it on the seat, the cushion. And feel how the chair, the earth, wherever you're seated, can fully support you. You can let go and rest on the earth. An invitation to presence just here. You can notice the sensations of your body, the areas of tightness or ease, warm or cool. Vibrations or stillness. Pleasure or pain. Bringing loving awareness and interest, a kind attention, without judgment. You can also turn your attention to notice the state of your heart today. Is there excitement, weariness, tenderness, frustration? Does the heart feel open or closed? Without any judgment, just noticing with loving awareness. And notice how the heart benefits by your attention. Just receiving this mindful, loving attention without judgment is good for the heart wherever you are. And in the same way, you can also notice what Emily Dickinson called the mob within the heart. And you'll see that there are states of mind present now, connected with all these feelings. Planning, excitement, questioning, obsessed or worried, imagining in creative ways, curious, images, words, pictures. And you take your seat halfway between heaven and earth with presence and loving awareness, a dignity. And you become the witness to what's here and now. More and more fully in the present. Rest in this space of presence with a beginner's mind. And notice whatever wants to arise and pass in the field of mindful, loving awareness.